Greetings on this new day at Topcast. Exploring the importance of hobbies can significantly enhance your quality of life by providing joy, relaxation, and personal growth. In this video, we'll provide useful tips on why hobbies are vital for your well-being, each detailed to give you practical insights and actionable steps. Whether you're rekindling an old passion or discovering a new interest, these tips will highlight how integrating hobbies into your routine can lead to a more fulfilling and balanced life. Let's dive in. Stress relief and relaxation. Engaging in hobbies is a powerful way to relieve stress and relax. Activities like painting, gardening, or playing music provide a mental escape from daily pressures, helping you unwind and recharge. By dedicating time to hobbies, you can significantly reduce stress levels and improve your overall mental health. Enhancing creativity. Hobbies often involve creative expression, which stimulates the brain and fosters innovation. Whether through writing, crafting, or cooking, engaging in creative activities enhances problem-solving skills and encourages thinking outside the box. This boost in creativity can translate into other areas of your life, including work and personal relationships. Building confidence and self-esteem. Mastering a hobby can boost your confidence and self-esteem. Achieving milestones, such as learning a new instrument or completing a complex puzzle, provides a sense of accomplishment. This positive reinforcement encourages you to take on new challenges and believe in your capabilities. Fostering social connections. Hobbies can be a great way to meet new people and build social connections. Joining clubs, groups, or classes related to your interests allows you to connect with like-minded individuals. These social interactions can lead to lasting friendships and a supportive community. Promoting physical health. Many hobbies, such as hiking, dancing, or sports, involve physical activity, which is essential for maintaining good health. Regular physical activity through hobbies can improve cardiovascular health, strengthen muscles, and increase flexibility. Incorporating active hobbies into your routine promotes a healthier lifestyle. Providing a sense of purpose. Hobbies can provide a sense of purpose and direction. Having a passion or interest to pursue gives you something to look forward to and invest your time in. This sense of purpose can be especially beneficial during times of transition or stress, offering a stable and fulfilling outlet. Enhancing cognitive function. Hobbies that challenge the brain, such as chess, puzzles, or learning a new language, enhance cognitive function and memory. Regular mental stimulation through hobbies keeps your brain active and can reduce the risk of cognitive decline as you age. Encouraging lifelong learning. Hobbies promote lifelong learning and curiosity. Whether it's studying the intricacies of birdwatching, mastering a new recipe, or delving into photography techniques, hobbies keep you intellectually engaged. This continuous learning fosters personal growth and keeps life interesting. Balancing work and life. Hobbies help maintain a healthy work-life balance by providing an outlet for relaxation and enjoyment outside of work. They offer a necessary break from professional responsibilities, helping to prevent burnout and improve overall job satisfaction. Balancing work with hobbies ensures a more harmonious and fulfilling life. Cultivating joy and happiness. Ultimately, hobbies bring joy and happiness into your life. Engaging in activities you love enhances your mood and overall sense of well-being. Whether it's the simple pleasure of reading a good book or the thrill of rock climbing, hobbies add richness and satisfaction to your everyday life. That wraps up our video on the importance of hobbies. By incorporating hobbies into your life, you can reduce stress, boost creativity, and enhance both your physical and mental health. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on leading a balanced and fulfilling life. We appreciate your presence. Have a fantastic day.